Raining is romantic at Syria Farm Stay. How about the guest comment?
It's been really great. We've loved it here. Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely beautiful here. We couldn't believe it when we first arrived. Like the view across the fields and just how nice and private everything is as well. Like the cabins are just beautiful, and the bed's so comfy as well. So comfortable. I would definitely come back here. Definitely, it's been really, really lovely. Hope to see you again soon.
See you again in Syria Farm Stay.